Here's why you should eat eggs every day. Hello and welcome. Eating eggs every day is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health. Eggs are not only an affordable and versatile food, but they also pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Rich in high-quality protein, vitamins like B12 and D, as well as minerals like selenium and iodine, eggs provide a range of benefits for the body. Consuming 2 eggs daily can improve brain function by boosting cognitive abilities, protect your eyes with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, and support your immune system with vital nutrients. Additionally, eggs are excellent for maintaining heart health, improving skin elasticity, and providing steady energy throughout the day. By adding eggs to your daily routine, you're fueling your body with essential nutrients that contribute to long-term wellness and vitality. 1. Brain health. Eggs are an incredibly rich source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in supporting brain health. Choline helps enhance cognitive function by facilitating the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory, mood regulation, and muscle control. This nutrient is also important for the formation and maintenance of healthy cell membranes in the brain, which ensures the proper structure and function of brain cells. Regular consumption of eggs can improve mental clarity, sharpen focus, and boost memory retention, making them an excellent addition to a brain-healthy diet. Furthermore, choline may help protect against cognitive decline associated with aging. By including eggs in your daily routine, you're supplying your brain with the necessary nutrients it needs to function at its best and support long-term cognitive health. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, an essential component of a healthy diet. Omega-3 fatty acids provide numerous benefits for overall well-being. These healthy fats are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to heart health by reducing triglyceride levels, lowering blood pressure, and improving arterial function. They also play a crucial role in supporting brain health, enhancing cognitive function, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, omega-3 South support eye health by maintaining the integrity of the retina and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Found in certain types of eggs, particularly those enriched with omega-3 South, these beneficial fats offer an easy and convenient way to meet daily nutritional needs. Regular consumption can also promote joint health, alleviate symptoms of depression, and support overall immune function. Including omega-3 rich foods such as eggs in your diet ensures a well-rounded approach to maintaining long-term health and vitality. 3. Eye health. Maintaining good vision requires essential nutrients that support eye function and protect against age-related decline. Rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, certain foods help filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin A, another crucial nutrient, plays a key role in preventing night blindness and maintaining a healthy cornea. Found in eggs, these nutrients work together to promote long-term eye health while reducing oxidative stress. Regular consumption of nutrient-dense foods can improve overall visual clarity and help preserve eyesight as you age. Ensuring a balanced diet with these vital compounds is a simple yet effective way to protect vision and maintain optimal eye function throughout life. 4. Metabolism. Supporting energy production and overall well-being, certain nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining an efficient metabolic rate. High-quality proteins, essential vitamins, and minerals contribute to muscle maintenance, fat breakdown, and sustained energy levels throughout the day. Among these, B vitamins are particularly important as they help convert food into usable energy, ensuring the body functions optimally. Choline, another key nutrient, aids in fat metabolism and liver health, preventing the accumulation of excess fat. A well-balanced diet that includes nutrient-dense foods can enhance metabolic efficiency, promote better weight management, and reduce the risk of metabolic disorders. Incorporating these essential elements into daily meals helps regulate bodily functions and supports long-term health by keeping the metabolism active and efficient. 5. Immune system. Playing a vital role in protecting the body, a well-functioning defense mechanism helps ward off illnesses and infections. Essential nutrients such as vitamins D and E, along with minerals like zinc and selenium, contribute to strengthening this natural shield. Antioxidants further support immune responses by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, ensuring the body can effectively combat harmful pathogens. Proteins also play a crucial part by aiding in the production of antibodies and immune cells, which help detect and neutralize threats. A well-balanced diet rich in these vital nutrients promotes faster recovery, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and enhances overall resilience. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition ensures the immune system remains strong, allowing the body to function optimally and defend against external invaders efficiently. 6. Energy levels. Sustaining an active and productive lifestyle requires a steady supply of energy throughout the day. Essential nutrients such as proteins, healthy fats, and B vitamins play a significant role in converting food into fuel, ensuring the body remains energized. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels helps prevent sudden energy crashes, allowing for consistent physical and mental performance. Proper hydration and balanced nutrient intake further enhance endurance, reducing fatigue and improving focus. Iron also contributes by supporting oxygen transport in the blood, preventing feelings of weakness and sluggishness. A well-nourished body not only sustains daily activities but also promotes overall vitality, keeping both the mind and muscles functioning efficiently. 7. Bone and teeth health. Strong bones and healthy teeth rely on essential nutrients that support their structure and durability. Calcium plays a fundamental role in maintaining bone density, while phosphorus works alongside it to strengthen both bones and enamel. Vitamin D enhances calcium absorption, ensuring these minerals are effectively utilized by the body. Protein contributes by providing the necessary building blocks for bone formation and repair, helping to maintain skeletal integrity over time. Without adequate nutrition, bones become more susceptible to fractures and teeth may weaken, leading to decay and other oral health issues. A well-balanced diet rich in these key nutrients promotes long-term skeletal strength, reducing the risk of conditions such as osteoporosis and tooth deterioration. Supporting bone and dental health not only ensures physical resilience but also enhances overall well-being, allowing individuals to stay active and maintain a confident smile. 8. Hormone balance. Maintaining a well-regulated endocrine system is essential for overall health, as hormones control numerous bodily functions, including metabolism, mood, and reproductive health. Essential nutrients such as healthy fats, proteins, and key vitamins play a crucial role in hormone production and balance. Cholesterol, for instance, serves as a building block for steroid hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, ensuring proper physiological function. B vitamins support energy regulation and neurotransmitter production, influencing stress response and emotional well-being. A deficiency in these vital nutrients may lead to imbalances, causing fatigue, mood swings, and disruptions in metabolic processes. By consuming nutrient-dense foods that promote hormone stability, the body can sustain optimal performance, improve stress management, and enhance overall vitality. Proper dietary choices help regulate hormonal fluctuations, supporting long-term wellness and preventing potential health complications related to imbalance. 9. Skin health. Achieving healthy, glowing skin depends on essential nutrients that nourish, repair, and protect. Antioxidants such as vitamins A and E help neutralize free radicals, reducing signs of aging and shielding against environmental damage. Collagen production, crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, benefits from adequate protein intake, and vitamin C. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to deep hydration, preventing dryness, irritation, and inflammation. Zinc plays a key role in wound healing and controlling acne by regulating oil production and reducing redness. Biotin and B vitamins support cell regeneration, ensuring a smooth and even complexion. A well-balanced diet packed with these nutrients strengthens the skin's natural barrier, enhances moisture retention, and promotes a youthful, healthy appearance. 10. Hair and nail health. Healthy hair and nails require a combination of vital nutrients to thrive. Protein, especially keratin, is essential for both hair and nail growth. Eggs, rich in high-quality protein, supply the amino acids needed to strengthen and regenerate these structures. Biotin, found in eggs, supports hair elasticity and prevents breakage while promoting healthy nail growth. Zinc plays a crucial role in tissue repair and maintaining hair follicles, reducing hair thinning and loss. Omega-3 fatty acids keep hair hydrated, promoting shine and reducing scalp inflammation. Vitamin D contributes to new hair follicle production, encouraging growth. Additionally, selenium protects hair and nails from oxidative stress while promoting overall health. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet, you can support stronger, shinier hair and nails that grow more consistently and resist damage. 11. Heart health. A healthy heart relies on a balanced intake of essential nutrients that support its function and protect against disease. Eggs, particularly those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, play a significant role in maintaining heart health. These healthy fats help reduce levels of bad cholesterol LDL while promoting good cholesterol HDL, contributing to improved blood circulation. Additionally, eggs provide a good source of B vitamins such as folate and B12, which help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. The antioxidants found in eggs also help fight inflammation, a key factor in cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you can support heart health, maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Regular consumption, along with a balanced diet, can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Including eggs in your daily diet offers a wide range of health benefits, making them a valuable food choice for overall well-being. Rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential minerals, eggs support various body functions, from muscle maintenance to brain health. Their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into many meals, whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs are also an excellent source of choline, vital for cognitive function, and omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to heart and eye health. They help in maintaining a healthy weight by providing long-lasting energy and supporting metabolism. Whether you're looking to boost nutrition or enjoy a quick, satisfying meal, eggs are an excellent, nutrient-packed option that can be easily included in any diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and allows us to continue providing valuable content that can help you improve your health and live a happier, more balanced life. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, tips, and insights, ensuring you don't miss out on any important health information. We truly appreciate your engagement and feedback, and we love being able to connect with you on your wellness journey. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Wishing you good health, positivity, and strength as you continue to take care of yourself. May you find peace and vitality in everything you do. Stay strong, stay healthy, and thank you so much for being part of our growing community. We can't wait to bring you more helpful tips and inspiring content in the future. Take care and see you soon.